In this video, I am going to show you how to create Gmail account. First, we are going to create Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to google.com. Select Gmail from right side, or you can directly type mail.google.com on your browser tab. Select Create an account. Then, enter your first name and last name. On username, put the Gmail address which you want. If it is already taken, add any number or other wordings. Add the password, re-enter for the confirmation. If you want to see the password, select the Check Show Password box. Then press Next. Select the country and enter the mobile number. Validate with verification code received on mobile. Fill with appropriate details. Then press the Next button. Press Yes, I am in button. This the time for conform, terms and privacy statement after reading. Here you have finished the Gmail account creation. Now, you will be able to receive and send email. Now, we are going to check how to send mail in Gmail. For creating an email, click on Compose. You will get a pop-up. Here you can enter to email address, means who wants to receive the email. If it is multiple, type address with semicolon. Add subject and matter as you required. If you want to attach any file, click on attachment icon, then select the file which you want to attach. Now your email is ready. Once you press the send button, the email will reach on to address which you have mentioned. If someone replied or send any email to your address, it will be available your inbox. All email which you are receiving will see your inbox. Here we are discussing how to change Gmail name. Select the Gmail account icon. Click on Manage your Google account. Select Personal Info and find Basic Info. Here you can see name. Click on that. You will get the option for changing the name. Click Edit Name option and the name which is the name you want add, then press Save. Once after saving, the name change will be affected your account. Next, we are checking about the contact option in Gmail. Select the Google Apps on the Gmail page. Here you will get option for uploading contact or downloading contact. Also, you can add delete contact from here. If you want to import contact from CSV file, click Import option and select the file, press Import button. It will start to import. For export contact, select Export. Here you will get option for multiple format. As per the requirement, you can select the format. Next, we will check how to delete the contact stored in Gmail. Go to Contact. You can see the All Contact here. Select All Contact checkbox. More options, select the Delete option. Here need to select Move to Trash. Next step, we need to remove from bin. Go to Bin, press Empty Bin now. Now the contacts are removed completely. Here we looking how to change Gmail profile picture. Select the Gmail account icon. Click on camera icon. Press Add Profile Picture button. Here you can select available picture or you can browse from local computer. Here I am choosing from computer. Select Upload from computer. Select the image you want to upload as profile picture. Once after uploading, adjust and align the picture. Then, save as profile picture. Once press the Understood button. Here we will discuss about how to delete all emails from Gmail inbox. Go to Inbox. Select all emails using the checkbox. Then press Delete button. Next step, we need to remove from bin. Go to Bin. Select all emails using the checkbox. Press Empty Bin now. Once after, press OK. All the email will be deleted permanently. Here we are adding signature in Gmail. Go to Settings, opt See All Settings, then General tab. Find Signature. Use the option Create New for adding new signature. Add name for signature. Then add the signature which you want. From Image button, you can add images as well with proper align. Once after creating the signature, you can use the same for new emails as well as reply email. Or you can use separate signature for both. Once all changes, don't forget to save the settings. Now you can verify the signature. Once after composing new email, now you can see the new signature is available on the new email which we are composing. This will show how we will delete the Gmail account. Press Google Apps, select Account, choose Data and Privacy. In More options, find Delete your Google account. Conform the account with password. Acknowledge the same after selecting checkbox. Then press Delete. Once you press the Delete button, and you will get the Recovery Immediate option. Just close the page and refresh it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, press the like button. Please share and subscribe.